Hello everyone, I'm Ling from Gato. I'm very happy to introduce to you our latest temperature monitoring products, our E3 distributed temperature sensing system. Our system is based on the Raman Scattering and OTDR principles. It can realize the high precision and long-range protection. Here we can see this is our controller, and this is the multi-mode optical fiber cable that we used in the front end. We set a water bath to show the temperature degree about 50.8 degrees. We can see from our green, it shows the anomaly temperature curve. Our system has many advantages. So first one is that we support the multiple temperature detection strategies like the fixed temperature, the differential temperature, and the rate of rise alarm strategies. And also we support the long-range rapid detection. The maximum detection distance 16 kilometers per channel, and we realize a minimum detection cycle of 1 second per channel. Besides that, we can realize the high precision detection. The temperature measurement accuracy can realize to the plus or minus 0.5 degrees with localization accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 meters. This is our E3 distributed temperature sensing system. Thank you.